Another example says, alright, what is 2 plus cosine 2x? Okay, and then they'll say x is pi over 6. So you have to substitute this in. So it'd be 2 plus cosine 2 times pi over 6. Well, what is this reduced to? Pi over 3, cosine pi over 3. So now what do? Can you find out what cosine pi over 3 is? Yeah, you look at your chart, right?
2 plus cosine 3.
Okay, so
Do you put it in the equation?
you can do that if you want, or you can just look straight over here. So cosine pi over 3, right, is 1/2. So then you'll just say, alright, well that's 2 plus 1/2, which gives me 2.5 or 2.5. I'm done. And the last type of thing they do is they'll do something like this. Five cosine 2x minus pi over 3. And then they'll say x is pi over 3. Okay? Or maybe they'll say x is 2 pi over 3. Let's say they say x is 2 pi over 3. So then you substitute that in. 5 times cosine 2 times 2 pi over 3 minus pi over 3. So 5 cosine 4 pi over 3 minus pi over 3. What is 4 pi over 3 minus pi over 3? Yeah, because it's going to be 3 pi over 3 over 3, which is pi. Okay, now, cosine of pi is a little tricky. Pi, we said, was half a circle, right? So that's over here. This is one of the ones where you have to find the point for. We did this way in the first chapter, but I think you guys probably forget. These are called quadrantal angles because they fall on the quadrant. So here, here, and here. We're specifically talking about this one. So this point, it's always going to have 1 and a 0 in it. It just depends on where it is, or a -1 and a 0. This is -1, 0. So 4 pi over 3 minus pi over 3 is 3 pi over 3. And the 3's cancel. So cosine goes with the x, so that would give me -1. So 5 times -1 is -5.